Those 15 gigabytes of free storage in Gmail aren't just for email. They're shared with Google Drive and Photos, so while you're deleting random files to free up space, your inbox could be sitting in hundreds of megabytes of old emails you forgot existed. I'm Lauren, and today I'm showing you how to find large emails in Gmail, delete them, and reclaim your storage fast. First, let's see where your storage actually goes. Head to google.com and storage. This breaks down exactly how much space Gmail Drive and Photos are eating. Here's the thing most people miss. It only takes a few hundred large emails to burn through multiple gigabytes. We're talking uncompressed image attachments, those heavy newsletters, and files you sent years ago that are still sitting in your sent folder. Every one of those stays in your inbox forever unless you delete it, and Gmail won't warn you until it's too late. So how do you actually find large emails in Gmail? On the web, click the search options icon. It's a little slider on the right side of the search bar. Find the size field, select greater than, and type in a number. I usually start with 5 megabytes to catch the big ones, and hit search. You can also skip all that by typing larger:5M directly into the search bar. Replace 5 with whatever number you want. Now you're looking at every email bigger than 5 megabytes in your inbox. Here's how to delete the large emails in Gmail with the native method. Click the checkbox above your results to select all visible emails. If you've got more than 50 matching emails, you'll see a message that says, select all conversations that match this search. Click that. Now hit the trash icon. But wait, we're not done. Those emails are in your trash folder, still taking up space. Gmail keeps them there for 30 days before automatically deleting them. To free up storage immediately, go to Trash, select everything, and click Delete Forever. Here's why Gmail falls short for large-scale cleanup. If you're trying to delete large amounts of emails, like thousands of them, this process gets painful. Gmail caps your results, makes you confirm every action, and doesn't let you combine filters like old and large at the same time. Plus, there's no way to automate it. So next month, you're doing it all over again. This is why we built Clean Email, and it's the tool that makes this channel possible. Clean Email has smart folders with categories like large mail that instantly show you emails over 10 megabytes, no searching required, and it has a select all and delete button. And you can set up auto clean rules that automatically trash large emails as they age, so your inbox never fills up again. If you just need to free up storage fast though, we have a select all button, and you can delete your entire inbox and start fresh if you want. Click the link in the description for 15% off. Here's a few quick tips to keep your Gmail storage in check long term. Don't wait until you're out of storage to clean up. Make it a monthly thing. Empty your spam folder regularly. Those messages add up. And if you're sending large files, use a link from Drive or Dropbox instead of attaching them directly. Your sent folder will thank you. That's how you delete old emails in Gmail, find large ones eating your storage, and actually keep your inbox under control. Now your inbox works for you, not the other way around.